What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Way of Fishing. Out here with Fishingkid06. So this is the creek that I found in the last video. As I'm recording this, that video is coming up this same week. So I came out here, fished this creek. It's not an easy hike, but since I pre-scouted it and because he's tough, he wanted to go. I caught a ton of fish and he wanted to go up here. I told him it wasn't going to be easy. Briars, mud, crawling, and he didn't care. So he can't wait. We'll start fishing. So today's goal: pink worm, have fun, and learn how to throw a Texas rig. So let's get after it. Fish? Oh my gosh, you threw all the way back there. You might be in trouble, buddy. Is he still on there? All right, pull your pants legs up. We're going in the water, people. Shallowest spot, keep going. Keep your line tight, reel, reel, reel. Hold the rod up.
Where is it?
On the other side of the log, keep going. Just keep it tight, keep reeling as you walk. I told you it wasn't no joke. Oh, he's on there. Hold on. There you go. Pink worm fish. Oh, I see. Hold on. It's deep. Here, hold my rod. I see what he did. He got you tangled up pretty bad here. This is not shallow water right here, buddy. Like right there is as deep as my stomach.
Oh yeah. There's a 1-pounder. That belly.
How you feel?
Better?
Still mad you left the crappie jig at home?
Actually, still.
No.
I threw it over here, twisted a little, and let it sink over these logs, and it swam away.
But what'd you learn from this experience?
Not to cast over logs.
There you go. The wood. Woo! Don't cast over that again.
I didn't see it.
Oh!
What was that?
That was a pike. That's what they do. Gotta step slow. Don't stop.
Me catch fish.
He did it too. Don't reach under stuff. You know, there might be another snake somewhere. Up underneath ledges and things is a good place for a snake to be.
Maybe I should kill it.
There you go. And you called that. You killed it and you got him. Walk up forward some. There you go. Don't break your rod. That's a nice fish. Go ahead, get him.
Second one.
Two nice ones today.
Can I set the rod down? Pounder.
Oh, not quite. You got a gut on him though. He eating good. Don't put him up to the side. He'll get stuck in that little shallow area. He might splash around in there a little bit, but he'll find his way out. Yeah. Found his way out immediately.
Oh! You both have two now.
He's a lot bigger than I thought he was. I did the same thing you did. I tried to get out of the way of the camera so you would be in the shot, so I killed the worm. And that's when he crushed it. Yours is a little bit bigger than this one.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm not too concerned about you being wet because it's not cold out here. That's good. If you catch a fish down a river but haven't fished in front of us, that fish downriver will spook the fish in front of you. Right. That's a nice one. Ooh. All right, just let him eat. Just let him try himself out. Whoa, buddy. That's you a nice one. Told you I put some fish over there. I like that pink worm fishing, buddy.
It's my second pink worm fish. Is that not coming loose?
Let it go.
Is this a 2-pounder? There he goes.
You awake? I crushed him. We had a decent day today. Not as good as the first time I found this creek, but it wasn't really about me catching a bunch of fish so much as it was showing the creek to him. So, all right. What you got to say?
Nothing really. I don't have to say I'm pooped.
He's pooped. So, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and see you next video.
Alright, bye.
So we've already done the outro for the day, but hey, this little guy right here was upset that Caleb and I went fishing. Well, you want?
Fishing.
Yeah, we went fishing without him. So we're gonna spend about 30-40 minutes here at the park. We're at Bird Park in Richmond. There she is again. But he cried himself to sleep, saying go fishing apparently. So we're gonna fish, okay? All right, so we're gonna take him fishing for a little bit. Say, go fishing.
Go fishing.
Oh, you got him.
I go.
You got him. Reel the handle. Turn.
No, that was perfect.
Caleb's gonna get some water in the bucket. You wanna put him in the bucket? Come this way.
Ow.
Kina, there's a fish. Yeah, yeah.
Can I hook this one?
You gotta pick him up. Go ahead and let him go.
Wait.
Bye, fish.
No, can I release this one? It's too big. Too big? Yeah, here you go.
Put him in. Put him in the lake. Put him back in the lake. Bye, fish.
Bye, fish.